Hello everyone, sorry about the wind, it is what it is, so I'll get back inside this shed soon. So I mounted this solar panel up here today. Let's see. Just getting close to you. There you go. So as you can tell, there are shadows on the panel. So some of these limbs here, some of these limbs over here, you're gonna have to go. But I'm waiting for a couple of pieces to show up. Drill a hole, probably right around in here, and run those cables through. And then in here, and sorry it's a mess, I'm in the process of transferring this stuff out to the shipping container, a lot of it, and my troublesome dog, I have one dog that's kind of a pain in the ass. He got in here one time and shredded and tore shit up, so, but, all right, so this is gone. Solar panel. Here I have the first component. So the wire will come in up there in the corner, go into this breaker box, then into this charge controller, then into this battery, and then into the inverter, which is out in the shipping container. And I have these cables in case I need to make my own cables for stuff. But so I'm gonna mount this, and the inverter just directly to this wall here. So I'll probably have the breaker here for the cable that comes down into here, out. Probably put the charge controller here, and then the inverter like here, and then it'll go down, and I'll have a battery box. Probably put it up on a thing like that milk crate, and the battery will be here. So all the plugins coming out of the inverter will come out of here, and I'll probably have a couple of power strips mounted here, so you can just plug in. I've always wanted power out in this building, and finally decided to get off my ass and do it. But all these tools like this auger, chainsaw, and everything, and this is all gonna go. And I may end up putting like a desk in here, and this could be like, I'll probably put a Wi-Fi extender in here to bring the Wi-Fi from the house out to here. I mean, it reaches, but I'd like to boost it. And then I can, I don't know, kind of make this place up a little nicer, and make it where I can maybe do some work or some videos from out here. But once I can get a lot of this stuff out of here, then I can start cleaning it and making it nice, and you just utilize it more. Because right now I don't really use this shed that often. I just come out here if I need a certain tool. But all that's going to be transferred to the shipping container, so this will be cleared out. So as I progress with all of the components on this wall down to the battery, I will keep you updated. So these videos will probably be on the series, I'll call it like Saloon Shed Solar Project or something like that. I don't know. We'll see. Dogs everywhere. All right, Samson. You hear that squawking? That's a guinea. Guinea hens make a lot of noise. Samson doesn't care.